Oh my God, guys. If I seem excited, it's because I am, okay? There's a little project I've been working on kind of behind the scenes. I really haven't told anybody. And it has to do with putting a GoPro in my intake and actually showing what it looks like when nitrous activates right behind the throttle body. Let me just tell you, the footage is incredible, okay? I've never seen anything like this before. I looked all over YouTube and nobody really has anything of nitrous activating inside the intake. All right, guys, so this is not gonna be a long video, it's gonna be a short one, but I'll be right back. Go ahead and watch this. So I hope you guys thought that was as cool as I did. So there may be some people watching this that don't watch my channel. I wanted to give you kind of like a rundown of what the combination is. It's a 1JZ, pretty much bone stock. Running a 62mm Borg Warner with ID 1050 injectors and an ECU Master standalone. Okay, and I use the nitrous to spool it up. So I use it on the trans brake. If you notice, I believe it was the second clip, when I zoomed in a little bit on the throttle body, that was actually a trans brake hit. Okay, it's hard to tell, you know, from the GoPro, but I was actually sitting still on the trans brake with that one building boost. So, but it just looks so incredible how when you close the throttle, oh, and by the way, this is the way I have my settings set. it's set on a the throttle position sensor. Okay, so it comes on at 60% throttle, and it has to also have 3,500 RPM, I believe. I'm not 100% sure of that, but I also have an RPM too. So in other words, once I hit 60% throttle and the RPMs reach 3,000 or 3,200, I forget what it is, that's when the nitrous comes on. And then it'll shut off as soon as I go below 60% throttle. So it's all automatic. I don't do anything. It's a dry shot, okay? It's not a wet shot. And it, I just add fuel in the ECU. So I basically put like a millisecond of duty cycle on the injectors. That's pretty much it. So, but yeah, pretty incredible way that looked. And so I also made another video, which I'm gonna probably post tomorrow or the next day, of how I did that. Okay, you're gonna wanna see this too. It's pretty crazy the way it looks, how I was able to get that shot. So make sure you tune in and subscribe if you guys like this kind of stuff. And I have more ideas that I want to also do with the GoPro, because there's so much you can do with it, you know. But yeah, keep an eye out for the video where I show how I did it. All right, guys. All right, that's gonna do it. I will check y'all later.